Hello friends, I am Dr. Nehal, practicing pediatrician. Since start of COVID, we are seeing that many of the general practitioners and especially pediatricians, they are getting the infection, and unfortunately we are losing many of our friends. So I was thinking on this problem, that why is it so? One of thing that occurs to my mind is whenever we take patient in our OPD, the patient controls two things. One is the distance, and the second is the time spent. So in my opinion, we all practitioners should stop seeing patients in our OPD chamber. Most of doctors in their chamber, they keep air conditioners, and that is why this environment is a closed one and becomes a very risky environment for spread. So my humble request to everyone who is listening to this video and who is a doctor is to see the patient not in OPD chamber but in waiting hall. So how is it advantageous? First thing is, the patient sits in OPD hall in a waiting room, and you ask the patient to sit where they are sitting. Now you can come out from your chamber and you can stand at a distance which is safe, 8 feet, 10 feet, and then you can talk wearing mask. Both of the parties, you can talk, and as we know that distance is a very good protector. The transmission of virus cannot occur. So you can talk whatever history you wish to take. You may order investigations, and you may come back. If there is no need of ordering any investigation, then what you can do is you can examine the patient with your stethoscope, and for that I would recommend this method. Take a deep breath, hold your breath, don't breathe. Walk to the patient, put a stethoscope, take 30-40 seconds to examine the chest and come back. Do not try to touch abdomen or any other part. Do not examine. This is not the time we should do all those detailed examinations. So you then move away from the patient within 30-40 seconds, and as per your assessment, thereafter you can prescribe your medicine going in your chamber. If you feel that your patient is having something for which you need to see the abdomen, I would rather recommend to go for a sonography and not to put hand on your patient. The another big problem what we are facing is a crying child. Crying child is a child which is producing so many aerosol particles, and we are exposing ourselves to such particles. Now it is very difficult to control a crying child, or in small children it is very difficult to keep mask on, and especially when baby is crying. So easiest way to deal with this is especially in time of vaccination. First, you complete all the paperwork regarding vaccination, that putting on the dates and dues and whatever. You ask the patient to stand at just entrance of your chamber, and keeping distance you advise whatever you wish to. Then you prepare the injection, and when everything is ready, ask the parent to bring the baby in. When the baby comes in, you inject within few seconds and ask the parent to take baby out. Now many a times it may happen that parents may not take baby so swiftly, so in that case you can move away. Or another idea is you can give vaccination in some other room than your OPD chamber, so that can save you from the spreaded aerosol which is because of crying of the child. So these are the few things I think would be helping a lot to us and to the other colleague who are seeing OPD. This is very easy to do when OPD flow is very less, but for those who are seeing big numbers in OPD, I think this is difficult, but still this can be done. Best thing is to curtail such kind of practice where you see hundreds of patients a day and those all they come in your chamber and they sit for prolonged time and talk and whatnot. If we do this, then I think we can save ourselves and our friends. Thank you so much. If you find this useful, share this.